gotta say it. You can get a taste. You know these artists.
Okay, you guys, so right now I'm in the mall and I'm probably gonna pick up a couple things. I already ate, so I'm just gonna see what they have in store for on sale or whatever. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what I get, and I might be able to try on some clothes, and I need a couple of things like underwears and socks and just a couple of things like that. So just stay tuned on what I'm gonna get. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna head to Primark to see if they have any underwears or socks, because I know that usually they have those things for a low price. So I'm just gonna check to see, so I'll show you guys when I get there. Okay, you guys, I'm here at Primark. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm walking in Primark and I'm gonna see if they have like certain underwears and socks, because I really need stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, let's see. I gotta find the section though for it. I don't know. They have a lot of cute stuff. Like, let me show you guys. Like, look at this stuff. Like underwears, swimwears. These are really cute. Okay, guys, so I'm in Charlotte Russe and this is a size large, and I'm gonna try on the other ones by the wall that you see, but it fits. Even if I had a bra on, it would be okay, but you don't even have to wear a bra with this because it doesn't show anything. And honestly, it doesn't, like, it's fine. It looks really cute and it's not too short. You see, it's not too short, nothing's really showing. I like it. I think I'm gonna take them. All of them should fit the same because they're all the same size and style. So I'm just gonna try them on for you guys, and hopefully you guys will like them. So yeah, I'm loving it though. Ah, look at it. Okay, you guys, so I'm loving the orange. The orange is giving me mango season, and I'm loving it. Good thing, like, I'm a very short girl, because if I wasn't short, more likely this wouldn't be a go-to. But they're really cute and it looks really good. So thank goodness the large fits. So I'm gonna try on the rest, and yeah, you guys basically get the feel of like what they look like. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I have on the red one and it's giving love vibes. It's giving Valentine's Day vibes. Like, it's really cute, and I'm loving it. Like, I'm literally gonna get all of these. So okay, so I have on the gray, and the gray actually matches my beads. And yeah, this is something that you could wear on the daily. Yeah, I'm gonna try on the black one. Could never go wrong with a black one. So I kind of like wearing rompers because I'm a petite girl and I like something that's soft and something that's gonna feel comfortable at the same time. So I like to wear stuff like this. These are like my comfortability vibes. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so